Hello everyone, I'm Amanda from Norman Central Library. I hope you're doing well during this time of social distancing. I know a lot of you have found yourselves suddenly responsible for your children's continued education, or at least have a lot of time at home with your children who may be getting kind of bored. I'd like to show you something that we have available to you through your library that you might find to be a great help. You may have heard of our streaming services Hoopla and Kanopy. If you have not been using Kanopy, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to set up an account and what you can get out of this educational streaming service. So, as I mentioned, the first thing we're going to do is set up an account. So you're going to get on your web and you're going to go to kanopy.com, and that's Kanopy with a K, Kanopy.com. Now, once you're here, you're going to click on the lower left-hand corner where it says Get Started. You will have to connect your account to your library card and then create a login. So let's choose your library. There. If your web browser is like mine and detected your location, then it's going to tell you, yes, you're in a Pioneer library system, and you can simply choose your branch right here. And then select here. If this did not pop up for you, then you would simply click into the search bar here and type in your city or your zip code. All right, now you're going to enter your library card number and your PIN. So remember, your PIN is usually the last four of your telephone number that we have on record at the library. I'm not actually going to enter mine because it'll just tell me that I already have an account. So I'm going to go to the login. All right, after you enter your library card information, you will then give them an email address and a password that you will use. And then from now on, when you log in, you'll just use the email address and password that you created. All right, now that we're in Kanopy, you can see what all Kanopy has to offer. So you might notice it looks quite a bit like Netflix, and it works in much the same way. There are hundreds of titles from which to choose. You can scroll through all these suggested titles. We have all of these different collections that they want to see. They want to highlight for you, but the first one is credit-free viewing. So any of the ones here in this selection are going to be titles that you can check out and watch that will not take away from your titles that you have available to you. So you can see up in this upper right-hand corner, this is how many credits you have available. You should get 8 titles every month per account, and this number refreshes on the first of every month. So most of these will, every time you watch one, it will deduct one number from your credits. But for right now, during this time of the pandemic, we have quite a few titles that are considered credit-free viewing, and you can enjoy without them deducting any from your number. I'm going to actually click right here on the Browse section, and it is going to take us to this page which shows all of the genres that you can choose from. You can see what all is available here in Kanopy. There are foreign films and documentaries, indie films, and if I scroll down here, you will see where it says K through 12 lessons. So if you desire to cover some material with your children during this time, this is an area that you want to check out. We have them separated by subject. You see that there are 878 videos that you can choose from. There are literature videos, math videos, science videos, and a lot of science concepts and, times in history that I think are really best illustrated through watching a video. So check these out. Now the next part I'm going to show you is right up here in this separate section next to where your name is. You have a link that says Go to Kanopy Kids. So this separate section is for our younger viewers, and the entire collection within Kanopy Kids right now is credit-free, so you can really let your kids kind of guilt-free binge watch all of these titles. You can see that there are some really charming animated videos. There are some PBS shows. There are some classic stories. There are animated children's books. So really a lot of cool things, including, let's see down here, some foreign language films or lessons and some biographies. So hopefully you'll find them to be really useful, and you can kind of guiltlessly let your kids watch as much of these as you would like. And yeah, most of them are animated, but honestly, I think I would enjoy watching these. So I do appreciate also that these are kept in a separate section. So you can, have your kids clicked on here and let them kind of peruse around and look at whatever it is that they would like to enjoy. So hopefully you find this to be a useful service. I know that there's also a Kanopy app that I wanted to mention. So you can download that onto your tablet or your phone or your TV, your Fire Stick, however it is that you use apps, or you can just watch stream these videos on your web browser like I've been doing here. So hopefully you find this to be useful. Let us know if you have any questions, or reach out to us on social media and let us know how Kanopy is helping you out.